Okay, what we got here today, guys, is a Zippo. Yeah, I'm just gonna make a little video about it. Zippos are pretty damn good lighters. It's just they run out of fluid really quick, but they're pretty good little lighters. Can't really complain. I guess them because it's orange and it's got the deer thing there. Yeah, pretty nice. Internal Zippo guts. It's pretty cool. And they're and it's time to add some more fluid. And while I'm here, let me show you to do it. And I don't know if the main right. I'm have to go get the fluid. And that's the fluid I use is the Ron's oil. Lighter fluid. What I use. But, you know, it says in the manual, do not overfill. What you're going to do here is what goes on with these. And it even tells you there. Let's see if I can get it to focus. It says lift to fill. I just stick something down a little hole. Lift it up. You're going to have that cotton wick under there. You lift that cotton wick up like this, open your fuel. Dribble it on your, I'll clean that up here in a minute, oops. And then dribble it on. Try not to overfill, because if you overfill, this thing's like holding a Molotov cocktail in your hand. You might want to refill it about every 2 weeks. Week every 2 weeks. And it doesn't hurt when you buy your first one, just get you some extra flinks and things. Other than that, I mean, it's not. They're not a hard lighter to maintain. I think you remove this screw here. That's where your flint pops out there. I think when you go to replace your wick right there, you have to pull it through and then do that. But yeah, I mean, it's simple to fill them. You know what I do when I first bought it is I filled it. You know, you're going to check it with your finger. I think it held a little more fluid. Don't overfill. Check it with your finger. And just slowly watch your flame over time. And like I said, just let it sit there for a little bit. Let it soak down there. That's it. There, periodically check it with your finger, and I might put a little bit more in there, and that's about all I'm going to put in there. So you do not want to overfill, and I think I did overfill. I overfilled. But yeah, I mean, there's nothing to filling these things. Get you a nice some paper napkins or something where you can wipe all your excess fluid off. You don't like that excess fluid right there. And just wipe that up because it will burn. This stuff is very combustible, which it tells you on the bottle. Okay. Know that EPC code. Again, you know, you can try to refill your own lighters and get someone that knows how to do it. So, and that's not simple or not hard. Just don't overfill. And like I did, I overfilled a little bit. It starts to get a little moisture in your finger, so I'm gonna go ahead and say this right now. Just go ahead and be done with that. Overfill, you take a chance of catching yourself on fire. And that's one thing I don't like about them, their lids. Show you the plate it's got there. It's getting bad. Hopefully it doesn't blow up in my hand here. You can see how much more bigger the flame is there. But I overfill. It says not to overfill. So about when it starts to get a little spongy with your finger, that's about when you want to stop. That's, I mean, it's easy. You just gotta do it. And learn when to judge when you're feel there's about topped off. That's all I got. And this Zippo case was made in 2018. Bradford, PA, I think it's Pennsylvania. Let's see. Bradford, PA. Lighter does not self-extinguish. Close the lid. Put it out. Yeah. Away from children after filling. Wash wet lighter hand before igniting. Like I said, I went over that. And again, that's why you don't overfill. I like the orange. And beer. I thought that was great. That's just me. It was an old case my mom had laying around. Move this out of the way. I don't want to blow myself up. But you can judge by your flame there. Whenever they need to be filled. Just pay attention to your flame and it'll be okay. That's it. That's my review on the Zippo lighter. Hey, good night, guys. Good day, good night. Catch you later.